Karambit knives are distinctive and versatile blades with a curved design originating from Southeast Asia, characterized by their unique hooked blades and ergonomic finger ring. These knives offer precision and utility in tactical and self-defense applications. With origins in martial arts, they serve as efficient tools for slicing, cutting, and close-quarters combat. Renowned for their agility and control, Karambit knives cater to users seeking a specialized and formidable blade for various tasks and martial arts practices. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. Kershaw Cryo 10 stands as a testament to durability and functionality in a compact edge knife, crafted with a sturdy 10 handle scale and high-quality stainless steel. This knife combines resilience and a sleek appearance. Its 2.75-inch blade, made from 8K13 mauve steel, offers excellent edge retention and cutting performance, while the speed-safe assisted opening mechanism ensures smooth and efficient deployment with a flipper. The solid frame lock provides secure blade lockup during use. With a reversible pocket clip and a compact size, the Cryo 10 is designed for convenient everyday carry, offering reliability and practicality for a wide range of daily tasks, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a durable and versatile pocket knife. Number 7. Zero Tolerance SD0350 presents an exceptional combination of durability and functionality in a heavy-duty folding knife. Crafted with premium materials like 30 stainless steel and textured Gi 10 handle scales, this robust knife offers top-tier strength and a secure grip. Its 3.25-inch blade features a tiger stripe finish, delivering exceptional cutting power and edge retention. The speed-safe assisted opening mechanism ensures swift, one-handed deployment with the ambidextrous thumb stud. The sturdy liner lock secures the blade during use, instilling confidence in its reliability. With a reversible pocket clip and a tactical design, this SD0350 is ideal for demanding tasks, tactical applications, or everyday carry, catering to users seeking a high-performance and rugged folding knife. Number 6. Emerson Karambit Folding Knife represents a fusion of tactical design and functionality in a folding blade. Crafted with precision from premium materials, this knife features a curved blade that excels in close-quarters applications, offering excellent piercing and slicing capabilities. Its Gi 10 handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing control and precision. The patented wave opening feature allows for rapid, one-handed deployment by catching on the edge of a pocket during the draw. Renowned for its ergonomic design and practicality, the Emerson Karambit folding knife is favored by tactical professionals and enthusiasts alike for its reliability and performance in high-stress situations, catering to users seeking a robust and effective folding knife for tactical use or personal defense. Number 5. Hogue Gambit embodies versatility and practicality in a compact fixed-blade knife. Crafted with durable stainless steel, this knife features a 2.6-inch blade with a versatile sheepsfoot design, providing precision for various cutting tasks. Its handle design includes Gi 10 scales and a finger choil for a secure and comfortable grip, offering control and maneuverability. Additionally, the integrated sheath with a multi-angle adjustable clip enables versatile carry options, facilitating easy access whenever needed. Compact, lightweight, and well-designed, the Hogue Gambit is a reliable choice for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, or as a backup tool, catering to users seeking a compact and functional fixed-blade knife for various everyday tasks and situations. Number 4. United Cutlery Honshu Karambit is a formidable and visually striking tactical knife designed for precision and versatility. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this fixed blade boasts a distinctive curved blade shape that excels in close-quarter combat and utility cutting tasks. Its full tang construction and aggressive jimping provide stability and control during use, while the ergonomic two-par handle ensures a secure grip. The included shoulder harness sheath offers multiple carry options for quick access in tactical situations. With its menacing appearance and functional design, the honshu Karambit by United Cutlery stands out as a dependable and practical choice for tactical professionals or enthusiasts seeking a robust and versatile karambit knife for various tactical and utility applications. Number 3. Krkt Provoke is an innovative and futuristic folding karambit that redefines functionality and design in tactical knives. Crafted with precision engineering, this blade showcases a unique kinematic opening mechanism that deploys the blade with a flick of the thumb, allowing swift and intuitive one-handed deployment. Its two steel blade boasts a hawkbill shape, offering exceptional cutting performance and versatility. The aircraft-grade aluminum handle features a robust frame lock for secure blade retention during use. With its compact size and included sheath, which offers various carry options, the Provoke stands as an exceptional and attention-grabbing choice for tactical professionals and enthusiasts seeking a cutting-edge karambit knife for tactical applications or everyday carry. Number 2. Schrade 110 is a versatile and robust folding knife designed for reliability and convenience. Crafted with high-quality materials, its durable stainless steel blade boasts excellent edge retention, making it ideal for various cutting tasks. The ergonomic handle, constructed with G10 composite, offers a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring precision and control during use. Equipped with a reliable liner lock mechanism, this knife guarantees safe and easy operation while maintaining a compact and portable form factor. Whether for everyday carry or outdoor adventures, the Schrade 110 stands as a dependable companion, blending functionality with durability to meet diverse cutting needs. Number 1. Hogue XF03 represents a pinnacle of craftsmanship and functionality in a fixed blade knife. Engineered with premium materials such as a two-tool steel, its rugged and corrosion-resistant blade promises exceptional strength and edge retention for enduring performance in challenging situations. The ergonomic G10 handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, promoting precision and stability during use. This knife's full-tang construction amplifies its durability, making it a reliable tool for outdoor activities, survival situations, or tactical operations. With a versatile drop-point blade design and a rugged sheath for safe storage and transportation, the Hogue XF03 embodies reliability and versatility, catering to the demands of both professionals and enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance in their cutting tools.